Raqib from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Salam wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, we know that Allah has given us a will which is under His will, and so we are responsible for our own shortcomings and faults. My question is, if we are not being able to excel in our worldly activities or achieve our goals, for example, I want to get rich or I want to crack an entrance exam, is it possible that Allah is stopping me from doing so? In the sense like, how should I differentiate between my own shortcomings such that no, this is my fault and I need to improve myself, work on myself, or maybe this is something that Allah doesn't want me to achieve. Could you please explain this issue a bit?
This is something that no one knows, and hence Allah has given us the free will to choose. And our choices are governed by Allah's choice, but we don't know what Allah would choose for us. So we have to excel and do our level best. And if we succeed, then alhamdulillah, Allah has made it possible for us to succeed. And if we fail, though we had done everything in our possession, our hearts are content because we know that we've done our best and Allah chose it not to happen. So this is the best for us and Allah knows best. Hisham from India.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, what if a person did not complete their Hajj? Will he or she be held accountable in the eyes of Allah because it is one of the 5 pillars of Islam?
Of course he would be accountable. If he did not have a legitimate reason, then he is held accountable. Allah Azza wa Jal made that one of the pillars of Islam, and He made that once in a lifetime, providing 2 conditions are fulfilled for a normal person, and that is to be physically capable and to be financially capable. And a 3rd condition is for women, is that they must have their male mahram accompanying them. If these conditions are fulfilled and that individual does not go for Hajj, definitely he's committing a major sin and will be accountable for that. Jamil from Kenya.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
I have a case with my wife where I was doing Ruqyah on her 2 nights ago.
I do not understand what you're saying, Jamil.
Sorry, Sheikh. My wife, two nights ago, I was doing Ruqyah on her.
Okay.
And she's been suffering from some abdominal pain for 2 months. When I'm doing Ruqyah on her, this pain moved from the stomach to the hands, and she was feeling uncomfortable. I asked the question, what would that be? And what would be the best solution for this?
First of all, I don't know. I have no idea what your wife is suffering from. Is it jinn possession? Is it black magic? Or is it her subconscious and her own mind playing games on her? She's convincing herself that she's suffering when she has nothing. And this is like 90% of the cases with people, that they're just delusional. They think and then they imagine that there's something wrong, and there's nothing wrong with them. So my advice would be to recite the Ruqyah as mentioned in my website and also on my YouTube channel, on bottles of water, and let her drink from these bottles of water like 5 to 7 bottles a day throughout the whole day. She drinks no water except from it, and inshallah in 5 days to 7 days you will find some improvement. If there is improvement, then keep on doing this for another 6 months. But if there is no improvement, then definitely this is her subconscious playing games on her.